Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. As you can clearly see here, I have in my hands a brand new Dewalt D24000 wet tile saw. And yes, this is the very first tile saw to be featured on Tile Tool Tuesday for a number of reasons. This is the most popular tile saw, the most widely used, and unequivocally the best-selling wet tile saw on the market for your contractors and tile professionals. The Dewalt was launched back in 2006. It has had a very long run, a very successful run for being very reliable. And with that said, I've got great news for all of you Dewalt tile saw fans out there. Dewalt is finally coming out with a brand new tile saw, the Dewalt D36000. I will be one of the first to get my hands on it to provide you guys with a review. So take a quick second, hit that bell notification right down there to your right so you get a notice when that video comes out, which will be very, very soon. And I gotta say, I'm very excited about this new Dewalt tile saw. There's a lot of hype going around about the crazy cutting capacity and all of the new features and upgrades of the saw. So here we go. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's quickly unbox the saw, assemble the saw, and we will certainly cut some material with it. And for all of you guys out there who own this saw, I'm sure you can remember the very first cut you made with the saw, how nice it was and how satisfying it was. Let's get on with it. Large extension tray for water containment. Second extension tray for water containment. Extension tray for large format tile. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Dewalt, brand new in all its glory. We'll quickly run over all of the specs, then we'll go outside and make some cuts. So, large tray here. Nice, dense rubber. This rubber is quality. It does last. To the right, we have an extension table for water containment. In the back, for water containment, I've got to say, this tile saw contains water better than any tile saw I have ever tested. Right here, we have an extension table for large format tile. We have a strong, reliable 15 amp motor. The saw can plunge and miter 22.5 and 45. It's equipped with a quality pump, GFI on the cord, nice aluminum rail system, very minimal slop in the tray. The saw can rip 24 inches or up to 26 inches with the plunge option. Also, it can cut up to 18 inches diagonally, and it only weighs 69 pounds. As usual, guys, I will leave links in the description below with specs and pricing on this saw. Let's head outside and make some cuts. Here we go. And here we are with our brand new, shiny Dewalt D24000. Two quick cuts, rip hard porcelain as well as miter cut hard porcelain. Here we go. Like a hot knife on butter. Now we miter this edge here. And there you go. One of the best saws to miter hard porcelain tile like this. Well, there it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for the full review on the Dewalt D36000, and I'll see you on the next one.